Hello everyone. Today in homeopathic therapeutic A to Z, we will learn homeopathic medicines for backache. Before that, I would request all students and doctors to subscribe my YouTube channel and like my videos for successful practice. Also follow my page on Instagram, FB, Telegram, Homeopathic Tracer. Join WhatsApp group, you can message on given number. Now let us start with today's topic. Pain in back anywhere below the ribs and up to the hips is called backache. It is common condition that affects over 90% of the population at one time or the other. Next to common cold, it remains the most common reason why people seek medical help. Backache is the single most reason by employees for taking a maximum numbers of sick leaves. Stresses and strains of daily living and overuse and misuse of the muscles of the back are the commonest cause of a backache. So after respiratory patients, we homeopath get backache patients most. And here I will not discuss much about the causes, symptoms about backache. That you know very well. But we learn homeopathic medicines for excellent relief from low backache pains. Homeopathic medicine can relieve the spasms of the back muscles and provide effective pain relief. As I always repeat that to prescribe constitutional remedy is the best way of treating, but when the patient is in an acute agony and the pain, we must relieve with acute complementary medicines. Here a few common medicine which I use in my practice. The rubric we generally take back pain, lumbar region. First common remedy, you all know Rustox. If the back pain is worse with damp and cold weather, triggers with overexertion or from lifting heavy weight, it worse with rest. While the person feels relief from walking or motion, the rust pains are relieved by bending backward. Also, the back pain gets better with hard pressure, and the patient likes to lie on something hard, same like Netramure, and we have a rubric back pain lying hard on something. Emulation Netramure is a 3-mark. Rust seems to be specially suited to affection of the deeper muscles of the back. It is more suitable to the chronic forms of lumbago, while aconite suits the acute forms and will oftentimes give prompt relief. Second common remedy, bryonia. In bryonia, back pain gets worse with motion or turning side to side, coughing or any kind of sudden movement. Walking also worsens back pain. So we have a rubric back pain on coughing. Rest brings relief, exact opposite to Rustox. Bryonia is also the most suitable medicine for treating back pain that becomes more severe with stooping and standing. Third is Aesculus hypocastanum. It is recommended for managing back pain in a sacral or sacroiliac areas. The pain relief worse when standing up from sitting position and while stooping. For some person needing Aesculus hypocastanum, rising from a sitting position is a challenge. Intense stiffness is observed in sacrum and hip region along with the pain. Also recommended when associated with hemorrhoids. So we have a rubric: back pain, sacral region, rising from sitting aggravation. Next is Kalika, for backache in a woman during menses or after miscarriage and also after childbirth. Kalika is considered to be very effective. Here the pain may get worse on walking and there is need to stop and take rest before starting to walk again. There is desire to lie down for relief from back pain. Stiffness or excessive weakness in the back may also attend the pain. Next come arnica and hypericum. Both the remedy treating back pain arising from injury. Arnica and hypericum are the best treatment option. Back pain arising from falls, blows of both recent and remote origin. Responds wonderfully well to these medicines. Person needing arnica have a sore bluish feeling in back after being bitten. They may be attended with lameness in the back. The symptoms for use of hypericum are pain in back with extreme sensitivity, which makes it is impossible to walk or stoop. Hypericum is the most significant medicines I am using for coccyx pain arising from fall over the coccyx. Then another common remedy, Nux vomica. It's prescribed when the back pain was in a cold damp weather and at night when lying in bed. And the longer the patient lies in bed, the more backache. Turning in bed is also painful. There are painful muscular cramps in the lower back. And the backache brought on by a sexual access should be considered nux and staphylococcus aureus. Stiff neck, torticollitis may also be benefited with nux vomica. Another remedy is sepia. Backache associated with pelvic inflammatory disease. Sepia is very frequently indicated in the backache which are due to uterine disease. Here the general weakness in the small of the back when walking and is worse when sitting. Sudden pain in the back as if struck by hammer and relieved by back upon something hard. Same like we had discussed in Natamur and Rustox. So we have rubric that. Here the back pain symptoms generally worse in a 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Another remedy, Calcarea floor. This remedy quite clinically useful and have a reputation of curing backache and especially in backache stimulating spinal irritation. Indicated in a spine tumor, lumbar spondylosis, ankylosing spondylitis. The pain in the lower part of the back with fullness or burning pain. Lumbago worse on beginning to move and relieved by continuous motion, or lumbago from strains. Will find a Calcarea floor is a remedy, especially when Rustox fails. The temperament and the general constitutional characteristic of Calcarea may be present. It also follows rust well. Above all this medicine, you should always guide your patient about some basic lifestyle measures which can help a long way in managing back pain. Some of these are: maintain proper posture while sitting, loss weight. Avoid lifting heavy weights. Avoid bending and twisting the back. Avoid prolonged constant sitting and standing. Exercise and physiotherapy will help to relax muscles and eventually pain. This all regarding homeopathic medicines for backache. Differentiation of all medicines in acute phase is required, and for chronic backache, always give constitutional and miasmatic remedy. I hope you have enjoyed. Keep learning. Thank you.